मेरे लिए थोड़े बहुत चैलेंजेस थे। मैं ये कहूँगा मैं पहले कभी पीजी में नहीं रहा। देयर वर मेनी इश्यूज लाइक समटाइम्स मोटर इज नॉट वर्किंग, लाइट इज गॉन। बट आई हैव सीन पीपल इन द प्रीवियस अकोमोडेशन जिन लोगों का डिले होता था तो उनके साथ काफी बहस वगैरह होती थी एंड ऑल। The challenges, yes, in terms of every day, too much noise also was a big challenge coming specifically from the other roommates or the other door also. I would say that. I said that earlier that I'm staying here for more than 6 months. I do feel there is a comfort zone and a coziness, especially the privacy. So that I feel the most. I would say 10 out of 10 for Cripa PG because the experience is well. I do not see daily hassles in terms of any particular thing. Everybody is, cooperating. Parking is also not a challenge. I guard is always there and helping me to, park my car. Do not see any particular challenge. It's a very good, well experienced, I would say that. Definitely, guys, if you are looking for a PG or a single room or a double room, I will definitely would like to refer you guys that go to a website of Cripa PG and get into their manager RN. Please try to browse. You will definitely get the best out of the